If you want to quickly fill areas in Photopea, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the paint bucket tool in Photopea so you can fill enclosed areas fast and get clean, professional-looking results without spending time doing it manually. This is a super useful technique for coloring sections, changing backgrounds, or filling shapes that are already outlined. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Photopea in your browser and make sure your project is loaded. On the left side of the screen, look at the toolbar and find the tool that shares the same slot as the gradient tool. If you only see the gradient tool, don't worry. Just right-click the gradient tool icon, the one that looks like a rectangular fading bar, and the paint bucket tool will appear. You can also press G on your keyboard to access the tool group quickly. Once you have the tool selected, the next step is to choose your fill color. Go down to the bottom of the toolbar and click the front color square. That opens the color picker, where you can choose any color you want. Pick the exact shade you need, then click OK to confirm it. Now move your cursor onto the canvas and click anywhere inside the enclosed area you want to fill. Photopea will automatically drop the color into that space, as long as the area is fully closed by lines or boundaries. This makes it perfect for shapes, line art, icons, or any section that needs a solid fill. If the color does not stay inside the area, that usually means there is a gap in the outline, or the shape is not fully enclosed. In that case, zoom in and check for small openings before trying again. Once everything is set up correctly, the paint bucket tool can save you a lot of time and give you a very clean result. So to recap, select the paint bucket tool from the toolbar, choose your color from the front color square, and then click inside the enclosed area to fill it instantly. That's all there is to it. If this helped you learn how to fill in Photopea faster, please give this video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Photopea feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.